name is Habibi. I want to explain the component and function of a backhoe loader. Let's go.
A wheel is a circular object that, together with an axle, roll easily. They are first widely used for transport and heavy equipment. A loader is a heavy equipment machine used in construction to move aside or load material such as asphalt, dirt, snow, wheat, gravel, rock, sand, and wood chip, etc. The steering wheel is used to control the steering system and the direction of the vehicle, and comprises a linkage system to direct the vehicle through the front wheels. Stabilizer leg is used for folding and stabilizing the heavy equipment when demolishing the building. Are designed to dig trenches or other excavation. Using a coupler, the carrier machine can swap out bucket in order to match the application.